Good day and welcome back to Hugo House. Today we're going to talk about this sunset cabin, cozy cabin with hot tub and views in Wales, United Kingdom. The sunset cabin is a cozy vacation retreat with a hot tub and all the comforts of home, located in Pembrokeshire, Wales, United Kingdom. The sunset cabin building can accommodate up to 2 guests, with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. The wood cabin has been lovingly restored by hand for a 1-bedroom wood-clad cabin building that sits nestled in your private slice of secluded natural bliss. During your vacation stay, you'll experience bird songs and nature along with panoramic views of Pembrokeshire's stunning countryside. The small cottage plan is part of a 9-acre ex-dairy farm. The owners live in a 200-year-old farmhouse that sits next door. During your stay, you can enjoy wine on the deck while watching the sunset, sit by the log fire, or relax after a day of exploring in the roll-top bath. The Cozy Vacation Cottage has excellent views of the Pembrokeshire countryside with beautiful sunsets to look forward to each evening while you relax in the hot tub. The location is perfect for stargazing. The small cottage plan has a luxurious bathroom with a roll-top bath and walk-in shower. The cabin building has towels and shower wash provided. The cabin building is spacious with an open plan with a living and dining room that opens out onto a large patio. The cozy cabin building has a log burner with logs, firelighters, and matches that are provided. The cozy cabin building has a smart television. The wood cabin has central heating for extra warmth. There is a patio deck with seating for breakfast with a lovely view. The hot tub on the patio is completely secluded in your private garden. The small cottage plan has a fully equipped modern kitchen with all the utensils, crockery, cutlery, pots, and pans you need. There is an oven, microwave, and fridge, but no freezer. The small cottage plan has an espresso machine with pods, Welsh cakes, eggs, and milk provided. The cabin building is your private space to enjoy. It is secluded and approximately 70 meters from the farmhouse. The cozy cottage has beautiful views and plenty of countrysides to explore during the day and a cozy wood burner, sunsets, and stargazing at night. The cottage location is very remote, so you'll have a car that is strongly advised. In Boncath, it is only a 5-minute car drive to a local shop that sells baked bread, cakes, free-range eggs, butcher shop Welsh bacon, and a nice wine selection. Cremydd is only a 7-minute drive and has the largest bar. The nearest town is full of quirky shops and trendy cafes. Barrowmain is famous for its sourdough bread and is perfect for breakfast and lunch. Every Saturday morning from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., there is a farmer's market at the Guildhall where you will find lots of delicious local produce. Forest Pizza TP is a perfect spot to enjoy the evening for a drink and some of the best wood-fire pizza. Some nights also host live music. Thank you for watching this video, and please do drop a like because it would really help our channel grow. And also, subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring different houses every single day, from local homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and to other inspiring home ideas.